Number 11, a fruit seller had some mangoes. He sold 2/5 of them, donated 104 of them, and was left with 1/3 of the mangoes. Then they said they packed them. The rest of the mangoes that was left over was packed into 24 bags. Some bags contained 4 mangoes, then the rest contained 6 mangoes each. So how many mangoes were packed? So we know that we have got fraction of 2/5 and 1/3. So let's make the denominator the same. Okay, so when we have got the same denominator, it is easier for us to compare them. I'm gonna start out with 5 units, okay, but I know that I'm gonna have to split them into 15 units. So instead of cutting everything into 15 units, I'm only gonna cut them into like this small portions. Why it is so is that because I don't want to have so many lines, and so many lines is so hard for us to see. So as long as I have got this 2 parts, which is the 6 units for my the mangoes that were sold, and then whatever you are left with 1/3. 1/3 is 5 units. So as long as I can draw like this kind, okay, I'm fine already. Don't split it into 15 units unless you cannot visualize this, okay? Then after that, the next part would be sold. So 2/5 of them, so that is 3 units and 3 units. Then the next portion would be donated, 1/4 of them. So in order for you to figure out 1/4 of them, right, you have to first understand where is the left. Left is 1/3. 1/3 left means over here. 1/3 is 5 units, so I know I have a 5 units over here. Okay, so this is 5 units, meaning everything back here would be equivalent to mangoes that were donated. And how many units is that? This 5 units, this donated is 1, 2, 3, 4. So I know that 4 units is equivalent to 104. Okay, so in order for us to continue, we need to find 1 unit, and that is 26. So after that, I can find out how many mangoes were left. Whatever were left was packed. Okay, so these are packed ones. And how many units were those? 5 units. So 5 units would be 26 times 5, 130. So 130 mangoes were packed. Then the next question, B, says that how many bags contain 6 mangoes each? So you realize we have got 4 mangoes, 6 mangoes, 2 variables. Okay, then after that, I know that the total number of mangoes that were packed is 130. The total number of bags would be 24. And then it is either 4 mangoes or 6 mangoes. We can do guess and check, or we will do assumption. So I'm gonna go straight to assumption. So assumption, the first step is to find assumed total. The total that we can assume is, because they said I skipped my step. Okay, the question asks for 6 mangoes. I must assume all bags contain 4 mangoes. So 4 mangoes, 24 bags, 96 mangoes. However, we know that the total mango is 130. Now we have our big difference. Big difference would be 130 minus 96. So minus 96 is 34. Then you have got small difference. Small difference would be 6 minus 4, which is 2. Then the last step is division. 34 divided by 2, the answer is 17. So 17 bags contain 6 mangoes. You can do a check. Okay, you can take 17 multiply by 6 plus 24 minus 17. 24 minus 17, we will multiply the value. That's the rest of the bags. 24 minus 17 multiplied by 4. And then you press your calculator, make sure that it gives you the whole number. 24 minus 17 times 4. Okay, so press the calculator and see if you get 130. The total number of mangoes is 130, so this must be 130. If it's correct,